happy Saturday. So today's video, we're gonna be doing a PR unboxing. I know you guys have been like waiting for this. My video schedule got really kind of messed up because I had a campaign last weekend and it was supposed to go live a couple days, like the week prior, and then it got pushed and then I didn't have stuff. So now we're catching up. So there's going to be a lot of PR unboxings coming up because I have a lot to go through. So I'm going to keep this intro short, but basically everything that I show in this video is linked down below. If there's a discount code with the brand, it will be right next to the link down there. So always double check there. Give the video a thumbs up. Let me know what you're most excited about and let's get into it. All right, so the first package that we have is from Smashbox. This is Christian Cowan Smashbox limited edition party proof makeup. Kits curated by Christian Cowan or Cohen. So they sent over a couple products here. Let me grab these out real quick. The first product that we have here is the Layered Look. It's a mini primer and the setting spray set right here, which I love their primer. I use it every single day. It's so good. But this is the palette that he created right here. It's one of the big ones. I always find these ones super fun. Gotta love the packaging with the star. And then let's open it up. So here are the shades that we've got going on. We have some neutrals and then also some kind of jewel tones in here. Really pretty for the holidays. Also, only a couple mattes. Honestly, we only have 2 mattes in here and then the rest is like a shimmer. So let's go ahead and swatch some right here. So we've got this really pretty color, which I would honestly, is this like eyeshadow? Yeah. I was like, I would use this for a blush. It is so pretty, this pink right here. Oh, that'd be such a pretty blush. Let's go ahead and get into some shimmers. They have this really pretty kind of like olive green right there. You could see that. Oh, that's nice and like subtle too. And then we have, oh, this color is really pretty. This one is, God, these are not swatching well at all. Like the shimmer ones for me, they're like a duochrome. I'm wondering if they're supposed to be like a lid topper, because they're not super opaque. It just gives you that shift to it. So it's like not a lot of powder or anything like that. So I'm wondering if that's where they were going with it. Let me try this one right up here. These are really like, the formula is very light and thin. They're not swatching the best. I feel like these like shimmer shades are just better as toppers. Like if you have another color underneath and you top it off to like really give it like the oomph that your look would need, I think that's what these would be best used for. But the matte one swatched really pretty. I really like that pink though. I really would use that as a blush. But thank you Smashbox for sending over the palette. Okay, so next up, it looks like I have a package here from, oh, I ordered this one. Ha. So I actually ordered this myself during the Black Friday sale because they gave me a 25% off coupon. So I was like, I'm using it for myself because I love Chantecaille. This is the Future Skin Cushion Foundation. They have 2 that I love to use. I go back and forth, but I love the cushion. I love the gel. They sit beautifully on the skin. The shade that I got this time, because they didn't have my like self-tanning shade in there, so they have wheat. So I'm gonna see how this one's gonna work for me. Hopefully it works out. If not, I'll return it, but I'm hoping the shade works because they didn't have the one that I usually get. But I was like, I need a darker one in my life because my other ones are too fair for me when I'm freshly self-tanned. But you guys, I'm telling you, if you're looking for a really good everyday foundation, I know it's pricey, but you actually get 2 compacts in here. So you get 2, so it's basically like, think about it as half the price because you get 2 of them in there. So it's honestly amazing, and I swear, like, once you use it, you won't go back to anything else because it just sits so beautifully on the skin. Next up from Lottie London, they did a collaboration with Kim here, and they have, oh, these nails are really pretty. Look at these ones. Those are gorgeous. Love that for the fall, winter time. Then we also have an eyeshadow palette here. These are also really pretty, like deeper, I would say like burgundy fall tones. And then we've got, oh, I love these. This is the Cheeky Kiss. It's a cream lipstick and blush stick. I would use it for a lipstick. I remember swatching these ones in the past and the formula is amazing. And then we also have the Super Fake False Lash Effect Mascara, also from them. So thank you so much, Lottie London, for sending these over. I forgot to show you guys in the beginning of the video, but look at the sweatshirt that I got. Look at how cute this is. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm taking the girls to Disney for like in I think the 14th, I believe it is. So that way they can see it during like the Christmas time. And so I got us all sweatshirts that match, and I get them off of Etsy. Etsy's my favorite place to go. But I was like, you know what? Like, I usually do t-shirts, but I know it's gonna be cold. So I got us sweatshirts this time, and we all got pink sweatshirts with Mickey Mouse and stuff. And it's so cute. I cannot wait. But the next package that we have here is from Flower Beauty. They sent over their new Plump Up Gloss Stick, and this was also is a 2023 Allure Best of Beauty Award winner as well. We've got a lip mask, which is a soothing lip treatment with a kiss of color. Ooh, that sounds nice right here. I've never used those before. We have them in 2 different shades. We have it in Pucker and also Nectar. So Pucker is a little bit more pink, and the Nectar is a little bit more of an apricot shade. We also have the Supernova one. This one is a glitter right here. And then we've got these guys, which are the soft matte lip colors. These look really pretty, and it's like a frosted glass packaging, like super luxurious. Let's swatch one. All right, so this color looks so pretty. Oh my gosh, this color is freaking gorgeous. It's called Dune, you guys. Look at how pretty that color is. That's heaven. Oh my gosh. We also have Icon, which is a red here. Perfect for the holiday. Oh, this is a perfect red too. I love it when they do reds like this, where they're a little bit more, have like the cooler undertone to it. They just work for everyone's skin tone. And then we have Fig, which is a, woo! I told you it was like a glass packaging. This is Fig, and this one is more of like an eggplant, purpley shade. I tend not to like these ones on me, so I'm not gonna swatch it. I'm gonna give that one away. And then we've got the Plump Up lip gloss stick. So they have one in that same kind of color. And then we also have one in the fiery red right here. The other one was called Heated. So those are the 2 shades right here. So these are little gloss sticks. So thank you so much, Flower Beauty, for sending these over. I'm also excited to try out the lip mask too. These will be fun, but I'm telling you, like, these are gorgeous. Go pick this one up. The shade again is called Dune. Okay, so from Dermalogica, they sent over a bunch of their holiday sets here. So the first one that we have is the Share the Science of Skin Health. It's the Best Cleanse and Glow. It retails for $109 and has $156 value in here. This has some of my favorite stuff for you guys, right? This is like the best one. This has the pre-cleanse, which is the best thing to remove makeup. I'm telling you, it removes everything. Then you have the Special Cleansing Gel, which is a great simple cleanser. Then you have the Daily Microfoliant, which is amazing. It's very gentle, so you can use it every single day, but it really gets rid of any dead skin or texture that you have on your face. Like, I noticed, honestly, when I actually noticed it this morning. I'm like, oh my God, I need to do an exfoliant so bad. So I need to grab this baby out and start doing this more, because you can just tell when your makeup, the way that it's sitting, and you can tell when you need to really exfoliate. And this one is really good. Like, you see a difference after just one use. So this is a really good set to get. The other set that they sent over is the brightening kit. This one retails for $129 and has a $179 value to it. You get the Biolumin C serum. You also get the eye serum too. So that will be another good one to test out for me. I don't think I've used this stuff before. Oh, they even give you one of the little eye thingies too. That sounds good. I'm gonna open that one up. And then we've got one that is called Supple Skin Kit, and this is $98. This is definitely something I could actually really use too. But it comes with cooling globes. Have you guys seen those? Like how they, like, you put them in your skincare fridge or your freezer or whatever, and it's really nice and cooling on the skin and great for the under eyes and stuff. And so they sent over the skin smoothing cream and also the circular hydration serum, which I really want to try out because I am very, very dry right now. So thank you so much, Dermalogica. These are great sets. Definitely check these out, you guys. I will have them linked down below. Okay, so next up, I have a package from SLMissGlam. And they sent over, oh, these, I just saw them launch these. These are their new pink chrome brushes. Let me show you guys what they look like. So this is the bag right here, super cute. And then these are the brushes. Oh my gosh. How fun are these? So they have tons of eye brushes, face brushes in here. And you can just see, oh my God. Okay, look at the handle. At that detail that they put into them. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. You know what? These also really go well with my nails. My nails right now have pink and then they have like the silver on the tips of them. But these just go perfectly. I'm like loving it. Ooh, so snazzy. Love that. So this is their new brush set. Definitely check them out. Hey Madison, hope you love our new pink chrome collection. Can't wait to see it. Happy holidays. I love the team there. So yes, definitely go check them out, you guys. Super, super pretty. Okay, so next up we have a package from Hairitage and they sent over a couple products here. So a whole product of like to do your hair with, and I need to try out this brush because today, if you guys can tell, I need to wash my hair, but I did my curling iron and I did it my other way that I was testing out the other week. And it works great, but I want to blow dry my hair like this and then do the rollers and see how much volume I can get with it. I really want to try it out, and I'm going to try it out with this brush right here because this is like the perfect brush to use for it. And again, it's from Hairitage. I will link it down below, but that's how you can get like that roller look. They also sent over the heat protectant spray as well, and then we have the texturizing powder, which is a powder, which is really cool. So thank you so much, Hairitage, for sending these over. Oh, and these super cute clips, which I can use in Riley's hair for her Christmas performance. I think that would be so pretty. So maybe we'll try this out too. So thank you so much. All right, so next up we have a really fun package from ColourPop, and they sent over a bunch of their holiday kits, you guys. So they came out with a ton of limited edition holiday kits. So let's go through them. So first off, I love these ones, what they did here. These are cute little eyeshadow palettes. And we have a beautiful neutral one right here, which is like my go-to. And this one's called it's with the Warm Wishes and then Brouhaha gel liner. And they all come with a gel liner too. So this one right here is for like the smoky eye girls. And then this one is for more of the like purples and kind of also, yeah, like purples tones. And then we've got the Lippy Trio pencils, which I love their pencils. Oh my gosh. These are so great. I wish that we had pricing here, but it will be all linked down below for you guys. So this one is called the Naughty and Nice one. So you've got some neutrals. You also got some deeper tones, like, you know, a mauve and then like a deeper one. We've got our Kiss Me one, which is our nudes. This is what I would gravitate towards. Then we also have the Lippy Sticks Trio right here. Super cute. And also, so this one's Hugs and Kisses and this one's Santa Baby. So really, really pretty tones. Oh my God, these are gonna be so pretty. But yeah, so they also sent over Super Soft Shadows in their collection. And then also we have the Make Me Sparkle, which is super fun. It's like body glitter. So much fun. Thank you so much, ColourPop. I love your holiday collection. This is so stinking cute. I love the sweater weather one. Like this guy right here with the, I think this is a great gift right here. That one's awesome. So thank you so much. All right, so from Smashbox, I got another set. I'm wondering if they accidentally sent it twice. I remember unboxing one of these on my, I think I unboxed it on my Instagram because I honestly was posting a lot more on Instagram and I've been kind of trying to focus a lot more there. And I think I posted it over there, but they sent over M10N right here for when I'm self-tan. So we'll try that one out. My favorite primer ever. I love this stuff. And then they also sent over Skin Deep Connections Won't Survive This Game. And this is a card game right here, which is super fun. So thank you so much, Smashbox. I still need to test out this foundation. Maybe we'll do an Instagram test of it next week. All right, so it has 24-hour oil control, hydration, it's medium to full coverage, natural looking finish, a 16-hour wear, and transfer sweat and humidity resistant, which is perfect for pickleball days. So I will definitely give this one a go. Thank you so much, Smashbox. Okay, so First Aid Beauty sent over a cute package. It says step into your comfort zone, and it's super cute because of the way that they did it with also like, oh my God, these look so comfortable. Please, oh, it says one size. I don't know if these are gonna fit me. I got big feet. Let me check. Kind of. No, these are definitely not one size. I just got big feet though too. Kind of fits. My foot's a little bit, I'm spinning. It's a little bit over the edge, but maybe we can make it work. But these are so comfy. So comfy. If not, I'll give them my sister because she's got a smaller foot than I do. But I legit have the biggest foot. I'm 5'7" and I wear a size 10. It's crazy. But anyways, they sent over this really good, oh my God, smelling candle. I love that. They sent over their Ultra Repair Cream in their 2 different packaging. So we've got a travel one and we also have got the Big Daddy right here. And I love this stuff. It feels so good on the skin, especially during this dry weather. So continuing with First Aid Beauty, because that's what this big one was, they sent over some more holiday kits, which is great. We have the Hydration Wonderland Full Face Routine, you guys. In this set, it's only $49, which is great, and it has a $118 value in it. And it comes with the Pure Skin Face Cleanser, the Radiance Pads, which I love. I use those. We have the Hydrating Eye Cream and also the Repair Cream in here. This is a great set to give someone because it's gonna work for any skin type, especially if they're sensitive skin. It's just awesome. The next one that we have here is the Smooth Skin Season Set. This one retails for $49, has a $98 value to it. And this one comes with the ingrown hair pads, the anti-chafe stick, the Ultra Repair Cream, and also the KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub. So another great one for the holiday season. I appreciate it so much, First Aid Beauty. Thank you so much for sending these over. Thank you to all the brands who continuously send over their new launches. I really appreciate it. I definitely want to find a way to incorporate these over to Instagram and maybe do quick little reviews or just show it to you guys. Let me know if you have any ideas. But thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.